Android flashlight not working fix. Now if your Android phone's flashlight isn't working, right, so when you go to quick settings you should be able to see the flashlight toggle. You want to just check it's working by this way or not. But if it's not working, first of all, there could be many reasons. The first is if you are using any other applications that is currently using a camera, because when you have turned on camera, if you don't know, then you can't actually turn on flashlight, because it will say can't turn on flashlight because the light is being used by the camera. So this happens if you're on a video call with someone as well and you're not able to turn on flashlight. That is because when you're using your camera, then the flashlight will not get turned on. So make sure to close any active applications that you have in the background. The second issue could be some of the software bugs. So you want to simply first of all go to settings, and I would recommend you check if you have any sort of updates available. You can go to software update, go to download install, see if your device has any update available. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, you can also simply try to restart your device. So hold down the power button and restart your Android phone. Next up, you can try to simply reset some settings, not your whole phone. You can just try to reset some settings by going to general management, then going to this option that says reset, then tap on the reset all settings button. If you have enabled any type of settings that is not letting the flashlight be used, it will reset those. If none of this helps, then chances could be that your flashlight is actually damaged and you might need a hardware repair. In this case, you can just take your phone to a nearby repair center, but if it is a software bug, these options should definitely help you solve it. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.